So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Happiest Mind Share. So we know that today, finally, it has crossed the 700 rupees level, and you can see it has given a very good positive movement of 6.4%. So today morning itself in the Telegram group, I've discussed about Happiest Mind and also told that it is near the very important level. Already we are discussing on regular basis. I told you to watch the 680 as well as 690 rupees region, especially when it is trading in that particular region. I told you to take the position in Instagram also. Many people have messaged for them. Clearly I told hold it for long term, and if you are trying to invest that is fresh entry, then I told to focus between 680 and 690. So quickly after crossing that particular levels, it has given a very good move and crossed the 700 rupees level. So Happiest Minds we were discussing on regular basis even in our YouTube. So starting from 500 rupees level. So on regular basis we have discussed all the fundamentals as well as future targets. So now we'll try to update the levels because it has hit the 700 rupees target. So what would be the next possible supports and resistances? So we'll try to analyze that. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And if you have not yet joined the Telegram group, so do join that so that any instant updates will be posted in that. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if we see today's traded quantity versus deliverable quantity, so you can see almost 26 lakh shares have been traded, and you can see deliveries wise almost 8 lakh shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage you can see almost 29.70 is the delivery percentage. So quickly if we have a day to day wise how the deliveries are fluctuating, so you can see on April 28th we have seen almost 23.6% deliveries, and you can see little bit of traded quantity has been increased yesterday itself. So that is, so little bit deliveries also you can see day to day wise it is increasing. So you can see from 31 again it has gone to 28. So on an average we can expect 28 to 30. So today also little increment was present as compared to its previous days. So why? Because already we know that when any sort of breakout is happening, so many people will try to accumulate in that particular regions, and when it gives a very good breakout, so after that ultimately stock also start moving in a very good manner. So that is very important. So whenever Happiest Minds gives any sort of breakout, first it tries to consolidate. So whenever it completes the consolidation phase, so that time only it tries to break that particular level and it starts again a new rally. So that is called healthy move. So on regular basis it is following the same pattern, and also when previously we have discussed about Happiest Mind, so that time also I told you to do a homework on this particular breakout pattern so that you will have complete knowledge. Okay, so when you practice those patterns only, then only you can master in any stock, because all the stocks, especially in mid cap sector or any large cap also, whenever they give any sort of breakout, so they consolidate for a certain period of time. So if you give entry in that particular region, so in short span of time, definitely you will gain some very good profit. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see what are the levels and what would be the next possible target. Okay, so we're back on to the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Happiest Minds. So you can see the chart pattern is completely simple. So clearly you can understand the first breakout that was seen in Happiest Minds. So you can see this was the particular region. So I've drawn a particular channel. So in that particular channel, the stock was consolidating for a certain weeks, as it is the weekly chart. And when it has completed that particular channel phase and when it has approached the resistive region, so how well it has given the breakout. So after completing the breakout, it has entered into next phase of breakout. So again it has consolidated for certain 2 weeks, and finally today it has given a certain next sort of breakout. So you can see that was the region 680 which I was discussing even in the Telegram group. So when it has crossed that 680, you can see directly it has jumped to the 703 rupees level. So I think it has closed near 704. So a very good initiate was seen in this particular company. So because we know all the IT companies are also declaring results, so that is expected, because Happiest Minds also would deliver some extraordinary results. And money flow index, you can see completely it is following the trend in the overbought region. You can see almost 87 is the money flow index. It is not trying to come down because nobody is willing to sell. Why? Because potential is present for the company. So I also told that even if it touches 1000, so nothing to surprise, because it has that strong fundamentals. Okay, so coming to the support wise, so now immediate support would be the 700 rupees level. So once 700 rupees level is respected, again it will start its journey towards 720 plus. So if it goes below 700, again you need to watch the 680 as well as 690 rupees levels. So if you get a chance, try to invest at that particular levels. Don't invest in heavy quantities, try to accumulate in small portions. So very good, fundamentally strong stock is Happiest Minds. So now let's go to one day chart as well. Okay, so we're back onto the one day chart. So in one day chart, you can see this is the region, same region that we're discussing even in 1 week time frame. So earlier also it has tried to break that particular region, but it has retraced. Again, it has tried to break and successfully completed that particular mission. And you can see currently it is near the 704. As I told, focus near the 700 and 680 rupees region. So if you're trying to invest, only invest in that particular region. If it is going down or going, if you're not getting any chance, try to avoid. So definitely you will get a chance. Don't worry that I'm not getting the that is chance for investing in Happiest Minds. So anytime you invest, definitely it will give you the returns. That is the specialty of it. Okay, in daily time frame also you can see it is near 73, that is money flow index is near 73. So that is also not completely in overbought region. So at any point of time, again, that also may start retracing. Okay, so immediate targets, if it respects that 700 rupees level, so we may expect 720 plus also. Okay, so further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also follow me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is stocks deriv IT, and you can also ask your questions there. Okay, so until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.